Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the premium Bandai Astray red frame with flight unit, and this one here is the Daban model for the Mars jacket, Astray red frame Mars jacket. So this is my first time to do some comparison for these two kits here. So Astray red frame, the regular one from Bandai, has so many variants, but still their main frame or main body is the same. So the only difference will be the flight pack, and for the other one with the big sword that can be attached on the back, at the same time can be used as a weapon also. So this time we'll just review about the main differences from the body of these two Astray model kit here. So the Mars jacket here, we cannot consider it a bootleg since there is no Bandai version for the Mars jacket yet, so far as I review this models. As of today, there's still no Bandai version for this thing, so I cannot consider this a bootleg. So this is an original Daban model for me. So the red pieces for the red jacket is lesser compared with the original or the regular Astray red frame. As you can see in the arms of the regular one has so many red portion, but here we got here the lesser red portions, only white, gray, mostly on this part, and the katanas are stored on the backpack here. So the Mars jacket backpack, so this is very nice. The appearance of the backpack here, since I made a review already for this one, I just reiterate the appearance of this black part here. So this can be converted as a main cannon, two cannons here. At the same time as well, it can be a scabbard for the katanas. And as you notice, I put the buko head from supposed to be this the buko head included for the flight unit, but it turns out that it's compatible with the Mars jacket Astray red frame because they got the same hands, this kind of old school master grade articulated hand. So it is also compatible for the port, the handle port on the buko head. So it's it fits with the Astray Mars jacket, which is very nice. So since the Mars jacket here has only one handheld weapon, which is this kind of rifle, and the other hand is free. If you'll not be using those katanas, the other hand or the left hand is free, so might as well put something nice on the left hand. And I thought about the buko head, which is very nice to look on the left hand of the Mars jacket. So good thing it doesn't came up with the shield, and that's an advantage for the Mars jacket to hold this thing. And for the red frame flight unit, I got a hard time applying water slide decals with this kit because I don't have the fixers, the Mark Setter and Mark Softer liquids that will be using or to be used on the water slide decal, so I don't have that. So I had a hard time applying it using water only, especially for the grooves that you'll be seeing there. But still, I did some nice application of those water slide decals due to my expertise on applying those. So still, it's good. The effect is nice, and the sticking pattern of those decals are superb. So even though I only use water, it sticks well on the surfaces, especially on those grooves. Also here on the Mars jacket, the bad thing about this is it doesn't have a format on where to apply those decals, especially the labels. So I just use my creativity and strategy on where to apply those decal sheets. So I chose those decals that has markings and writings on it, and some of the logos there are excess from the flight unit. So good thing there are excess from this kind of Astray, so I can include it with the Mars jacket. So very nice. And in terms of plastic quality, you can see that the Bandai has this kind of matted finish on their plastic surface, whereas here in the Mars jacket you can see a glossy finish on the plastic, which is the traditional bootleg attributes for the plastics. But it's still nice. Everything here is fitting well except for the knees on the left leg, but it's manageable by applying glues and modification on those joints. So the joints on these knees are already fixed, whereas in my previous review I told in my review that the knees are not yet fixed, but this time I already fixed it. So the plastic here is much sturdier compared with the Bandai one, because Bandai one has brittle feels, whereas in the Daban, this one has very thick plastic, so I'm not afraid on twisting and bending those joints, because those joints are really sturdy. In terms of katana design, the katana here in the regular or the Bandai version is not so glossy, so this is like a matted injection gold, whereas here in the Daban version, the Mars jacket, you can see that the gold fillings or the gold parts here are all sprayed or the coated gold. But if you're going to cut those pieces here, this is not injection type. This is just a sprayed glossy gold on the surface, so just be careful when cutting those knobs here. And so the height, in terms of height, they are the same. They're both 17 centimeters in height, so it's about the same with the Gundam Wing models, the height of those Gundam Wing model kit, but they are shorter compared with the regular 18 centimeters Gundam from Universal Century lines. So there you go. You are seeing both superb Astray from different companies, one from Bandai and one from Daban, but still they are a must-have, must-build, and must collect model kit. So thank you so much for watching this review comparison of The Astray Red Frames from Bandai and Daban.